In this step, we will verify that the script works correctly if it's run against the other two project boards. We'll start with finish spring cleaning. Access the board, go to automation and rules, scheduled, find our aggregator script and run now. Again, we can check the details in the log window. Okay, so it looks like it ran successfully. And if we check overview, yes, finish spring cleaning is moved to the top of the list, and it does contain a card, clean out refrigerator, which is from the in progress on the project board. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and run through this for vacation prep. All right, output looks good at the log. Check overview, and yes, research attractions in the area from the vacation prep project board's in progress list added to the front of the overview set of lists with the appropriate card. All right, so it looks good. The script itself works when run directly against the board. In the next step, we'll take a look at testing the scheduler.